wanna hear ya yell real loud. I'm proud to sing for the only king. Let your voices ring and your booties.
So, guten Tag, ja. Ich habe hier so ein Buch, wo man so von Gott erfahren kann und so. Hätten Sie das wohl ganz gerne mal so lesen, wie man in den Himmel kommt? Ja. Ja, okay. Ja, dann gebe ich Ihnen das Buch. Super. Okay, ja, danke.
Schönen Tag noch.
Ja.
So let the beat flow through your head like red. I'll break ya 1 and 2 to the 3 to the 4 with my warring crew. Hey,
Can you please tell us what used to happen in this building?
Yes, this was actually a pub that was owned by the church, and we used it as an outreach place. On Mondays, we had what we called God's Hour, where we had worship services here, and it was a great place to have because everybody knew it was a Christian place. So many times, Christian would come here, associate, drink a coffee, drink a tea, or something like that, and talk to the people who would also just come and visit the place.
Mainly, wasn't it just that it was right on the street?
Yeah, the great thing is it was right on the street, it was right in the middle where people are walking by all the time, and it was visible to everybody that these guys are Christians right here, having this coffee shop, and if you wanted to know about God, people knew this is where you could go.
Most of the non-traditional churches are hidden behind the walls.
Yeah, shall I say something about my dream when you say something?
Go for your dream.
Actually, what I really long for, what I'm praying for, is that we would have a place, not necessarily a church building, but a little outreach place, like a storefront like this, with maybe some living quarters upstairs where guests could come. But in the storefront, we could open during the day, and we could have Christian activities. We could have Bible school, we could have Alpha courses, or we could just hang out with believers in the city, so that if people walk by here, we are present, and people can walk by and say, "Oh, right, these are people that believe in God."
A Dresden Starbucks.
Yes, a Dresden Starbucks. Just something visible, just something hidden that, you know.
So blue and bright, the sun shines a lovely light. The love spread by the Father, so huge, like no one.